So in this video, you'll learn how to set up call forwarding on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So the first step in this process is to open the phone app. Then you ensure that you're in the section labeled Keypad. From here, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Under your call settings menu, you want to scroll and look for Supplementary Services and tap on it. Then from here, wait for them to load. Once loaded, you should see a section for SIM 1 and a section for SIM 2. So choose which SIM card you're going to be starting to enable call forwarding for. So for me, I'll start with SIM 1, then I can just select call forwarding. Next, choose between voice calls or video calls. And then once you've done that, wait for these services to load. Once loaded, you should see 4 scenarios in front of you. You have always forward, forward when busy, forward when unanswered, and forward when unreachable. So you can choose to enable call forwarding for any of these options. Bear in mind that if you choose always forward, then that will be your new default forwarding option. You won't be able to enable for any of these other options. So if you choose to select always forward, just tap on it, enter phone number, and select enable. But for me, I'll choose the option forward when unanswered. So I'll just tap on it like that. And then you want to enter in your number that is going to be used for this call forwarding process. And then once you've typed in the number, just select enable, wait for the changes to be loaded. And then call forwarding will now be enabled for the option forward when unreachable. Forward when unanswered. Again, you can go and select a different option you want to enable, such as forward when unreachable or forward when busy. Then once you've enabled call forwarding, you can now exit this phone app. And so that's how you can set up call forwarding on your Galaxy S25. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.